Ko tēnei tā mātou Parakitihi whakamutunga I mua I te haerenga ki pōneke. Ko te mea nui kia tika ngā waiata katoa.
So the goal for the weekend is to have the whole tira and everyone that's going to be in the album aware of all the songs.
How they're going to approach the note and also the parts in all the songs. So it's just, they just know everything once we get into the studio. And that's really important on how we conduct ourselves in the studio.
It would be good if we could all start just being more serious. It's going to be, we're putting out an album. We want sharp, we want to get everything, smooth.
We done this down in Wellington now. We had our first waiata arts, and this was one of the first ones of tonight. And that was sort of rough waiata when we done it, but we made sure to arrange it nicely. So the arrangement is the thing that carries pretty much carries that whole waiata. And you can sort of feel where the choir lifts up, drops back down. And so if you imagine like dripping water, rivers and all that ahuatanga. It's a lot of dynamic in the song, I reckon. Yeah.
The one we're learning now, wairua. Yeah, the two are kind of been doing pretty good, putting themselves up front, leading us, showing us what to do. And just with those Y's, it's in the shape of your mouth when you're doing it. Wairua, waiata, waiora. Like your vowels and stuff. Yeah, so not making those not lazy. It goes.
Oh yeah. So it was we sound like boom, boom, What do you think of that Boys to Men reference as kind of like an approach, like a musical bed approach? Because it's sound, these guys are singing it over here, just fit, like a acoustic guitar, piano and a bit of string. Just sounded really nice.
And we started our new waiata at 10. I like it.
It's the type of song that I could fall asleep to, but at the same time, it's so beautiful that I would stay awake for.
Yeah.
Anything else to add?
See you soon, Wellington. Tēnā rā tātou te iwi, we are finally here after one whole year of composing. We are ready to smash this album out. Where are we, Jamie? Where are we, Gil?
We're at Te Kinangaki Purihurua, Massey University, and we just got into the studios. Kaya, what are we up to?
Well, this old thing, welcome to my humble abode. In here we've got our first studio, which we have our lovely producer Dan in here doing our kahal songs.
How professional do you feel right now?
I know, hey, look at this. Karanga mai ki a tātou hui whāinga tāngata. We are here. So we're here. No.